how to download and install Zoom app on Android. So if you want to download and install Zoom application on your Android, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked, open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search bar and search for Zoom meeting apps. So here you will have your Zoom application. If you want to install or if you want to download the application, tap on install and it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and you can open the application. Tap on open, which is on the right side. And from here, you can simply tap on sign up to create your account or sign in to log into your account, or you can tap on join a meeting to join. So that's how you can download or install Zoom application on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.